In this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy domain on Godaddy. So the first step is to go to godaddy.com and then you'll see this page right here. Now, if you want, you can simply search for the domain that you want to buy and then click on search domains. Now, it's gonna give you a list with different domains. Now, as you can see here, the most important thing is how the domain ends. So as you can see, we have this one, tutorial.com, then you have other ones like this one. Now it depends. If you want something really cheap that doesn't matter how it ends, you can go with this one because these are the cheapest ones, and this one usually are a little bit expensive. So we just have to add this to our cart. Now after we do that, we just have to either continue or click on view cart. So here we can see how much we need to pay. So for 3 years we need to pay 44 euros. So here you can change for 1 year or for 10 years, it's up to you. Now once we do that, we're gonna have to click on continue to cart. So let me see, if we take 1 year, we're gonna see it's only 11 euros. So click on continue to cart. And then after that, what you're gonna have to do here, so if you want, you can get full domain protection, helps prevent domain theft and authorized changes. So if you want, you can enable this. You can also take personal email. So basically a professional email looks like this. So you can basically add support at yourdomain.com. So if you want this, you can enable it. It's going to cost you 75 cents per month. And then you just have to click on continue to cart. Now once we do that, what we're gonna have to do next is simply choose how we want to pay. So we can choose PayPal or use our credit or debit card, and that's it. Now once you do that, you're gonna have to complete your account, and then basically you're gonna have your Godaddy account with your domain. So here, if I go, as you can see, I'm already signed in. So if I go to domains, I can go to my own domain. So here, let's go and let's click on my products. So once you buy it, you're gonna see something like this, and then you can see the domains that you have. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.